Making money online is not hard. At least that's what I'm going to be telling myself. Hi, I'm here trying to record as I do a school run, so I'm going to hope that my Android phone is not as shaky. And if it is shaky, we will move with it and I'll still publish it. It doesn't matter. But yes, I wanted to talk about making money online. Making money online is easy. And I say that not because I'm making money online yet. But because I'm here trying to encourage as many over 40s, people like me who are working to start creating content. I know there are challenges when it comes to making money online. I know a few YouTubers who are not making a lot of money yet. That is their niche, to try and cajole everybody to do the same thing. So there's high competition in this thing. There's a lot of people doing the same thing because you hear of t-shirt printing in your living room, you hear of content creation, you hear of marketing, you hear of blogging. Everybody's trying to create diverse streams of income, and who can blame them? The economy is not smiling at this point in time. Then there's that thing of time. It takes time to make money online, because through that time you need to build consistency. You need to learn the skills it takes to make money. And while that is also taking place, you have that it doesn't happen overnight. No, it takes practice. It takes a lot of consistency. It takes patience. If you're not patient, you can't make money online. You really can't. Then once people start making money, I think it is also fair to say that the income is not consistent. Then you have to really be making the volume in order to be able to live off of the income that you make online. We can see that from those who are creating content. YouTubers, a lot of them are not making money. They didn't make money from the get-go. It took them a lot of time to be able to start making the money. And I think it takes mindset and discipline as well, which a lot of people are not willing to offer. If you cannot change your mindset about making money online, it's not going to be possible. So that's something to bear in mind. The one challenge that I really find that gets to me, it's the scams and the frauds. Now, I dislike watching YouTubers. No, I dislike the content, the video content where they're telling you how to make money online. But if they had, or if they knew all these ideas, including the YouTube automation YouTubers, if they had all that idea and they know about it, why are they not making the money themselves? And if they're rich enough, why is it that they're still creating all these content for people to consume? Why exactly is that? I don't get it. So I think I dislike the lie a lot. I dislike the fraud. And you'll find that a lot of these videos are heavily produced, heavily edited to keep the viewers engaged. It is to suck you in. When you go into the comment section of those videos, you find that people just watch it. They don't try it out. Those who have tried it, they give up. There is no result, basically, from those content. I'm going to try and cross the road and pray I don't get hit by a car. There we go. They don't make money from it. And I wonder why platforms are misleading. They allow misleading information like that. It's so unfair. But I also think that individuals need to take responsibility for what you spend your time doing, what you watch, what you consume online. This is very important. So, what does that bring me down to? It brings me down to why I am here. Why am I here encouraging people, especially those over the age of 40, to start creating content? I think it provides an opportunity for us to document our lives. It provides an opportunity for you to build a lot of skills along the way. It provides an opportunity for you to get to know yourself better, because YouTube is a platform that helps you see your own reflection through the content that you create. And I look forward to watching a lot of my videos back in 6 months when I am monetized, and I'm happy probably with my 100,000 subscriber plaque. Who knows? But most importantly, This I'm on a mission to try and encourage over 40 people like myself, millennials, to start creating content. I've got a note to remind me of some things I wanted to say, but I have said it all, and I hope this is useful to somebody. Making money online is easy, but also, and more importantly, creating content on YouTube is a lot easier than you might think, and the money can definitely come out of that. So why not start? Why not?